You're up.
We start with an open whip. 1, 2, turn it into a basket whip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go into the Apache extended version. And then she goes down the slot, comes up. And then here you could do a turn here too, yeah. So that's one pattern. Jazz box whip. Start going backwards leader, and then you take your follower forward and you do a duck. Of course, she's got to be on her left foot when that happens. Let's do it from this side. Actually, this side. So, jazz box. 6, 7, 8, and walk. You could do a couple extra walks if you wanted. That's the pick-off whip that I saw on YouTube. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, something like that. On this side, yeah. 1, 2,